Hello, in this new update, as an employee, we can now add comment related to the task when we update or change the status of the task to hold and cancelled.
Basically, the main purpose of this update is user are not having the idea regarding the task has been kept on hold or has been cancelled. So we have provided the comment box to mention the reason regarding the task.
Let's see how it works. So click on task, then all tasks, and from here, if we have to change the task status from assigned to cancelled or hold, then we have to mention the reason or we can add comment related to that task. Then we can also select that if we have to give this message to internal communication or in client communication, and then we can save. Then we can see this reflection in task detail. So here in internal communication, we can see document pending comment has been added. Also in task log, we can see the updated status of the task. Same way, when we change the task status in bulk from bulk action button, and if we have to change the task status from assigned to cancelled or to hold, then we have to mention the reason regarding to that task and which will be applicable for every selected client. There is a new small update in Service Act page. For that, we have to click on Masters, then Basic Master, and then click on Service Act. As we can see, if we have to add new Service Act, we have to click on Add New Service Act, and then we can select the Service Act, or we can also create our own Service Act by entering the name. And then we have to select the state for which we have to apply the Service Act and then click on Create Act. After that, we can see our new Service Act is created on this page.